welcome to part 3 of this probably going to be 4, maybe even 5-part series. Now, right before we get into it, we just went under caution, 25 laps into this thing, and I'm running 7th. If you haven't watched first episode, or second episode, well, you don't know what happened, so maybe go watch that before this one. Enjoy.
I'm pretty sure 8th and 9th have just crashed. Because they're not in between me and 10th place.
Jonah, short conversation. Come around, Matthew. There you go. Oh.
I'm ready for tomorrow to be racing for like 5-6 hours in a NASCAR. On iRacing.
I'm up all night to get monkey. I'm up all night to get monkey. We didn't touch, did we, Matthew? What are you talking about? When I come around, you're right at the caution. I didn't hit you, did I?
Not that I know of, no sir.
It's only gay if you make eye contact.
I'm pretty sure the only reason I ain't leading was because I accidentally jumped the start at the start of the race. Because I was an idiot. Man, you guys, a couple of you guys are embedded.
Prepare.
Well, after this caution, I'll be restarting in 4th place. Wow.
Number 14, where are you from? What? I said, where are you from? The Hawkeye State, baby.
Man, I used to live in Minnesota, but Navy family made me have to move out to California.
I can't get a word in as this Jonah kid won't shut up. Where'd you hear from? The Hawkeye State.
Are you trying to get by me, dude? Go ahead.
10-4. I love that first name, man. That's a cool first name. Looks a lot like the tailgate in front of you.
I'm just trying to get them to sponsor me, you know?
That's an awesome. I've never met a brand. It's really cool.
Yeah, no, I follow their like social media and they only have like under 1,000 followers, so I always put in a comment every now and then.
You're blinking a little bit. They'd be cool when they come out with those shoes. You probably thought that was cool as hell.
You should have seen my face growing up. My family would always take a picture of the hauler when it came through.
Oh, that sounds awesome.
Too cool.
When I lived in New Hampshire, I actually got to go into the Ricky Stenhouse Jr. hauler in like 2021.
You just jumping around?
I even got to go see the car that was in the hauler.
Seriously, Three, if you do it one more time, I'm going to report you. Seriously, I'm not playing because you keep fucking bumping me.
Alright, keep communication down, Jonah.
Sorry for bumping you.
I'm just trying to stay in the speed limit. Got one around?
Yeah, get going.
Dude, you idiot!
Fuck! God damn it, my bad, guys.
Whoa, Tony, whoa! Whoa, how did you miss the pit wall?
Yeah, I got lucky. Hey, your car's blinking real bad too, man, on the green.
Me?
Actually, all three of you up front are blinking bad.
At least I was able to join them.
I have like my quality meter up in the right corner and staying at 100, and like my ping is at 100, which it usually is. So I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, if you're 100, it should be good, but both y'all are. I know all three of you are disappearing, going up in the catch fence, everything.
I can't fix it. I've done the best. I've even gone to the task manager, closed out Microsoft Edge, UI, all that stuff. This is like the only thing that I can close that's running.
Dog coming high, dog coming high.
Copy. So you're the only person on iRacing who's ever said anything about the first name and the sponsor.
Well, I used to fly for Rouse Racing. I think it's awesome. I noticed it right away. I think you should maybe turn your virtual mirror off and see if that helps, Jonah.
Yeah, except that's like my main mirror. Can't really do anything without it.
Put some tape over it.
Help. Put that in the caution and see if it helps your numbers at least.
How do you disable your virtual mirror? What, you gotta go to the options stuff?
I have mine on a hot button, but I think it's Control M or Control Alt M.
No, when I'm not doing the collegiate series for eNASCAR, I usually run just an all tires pace game.
Tony, none of those worked.
Okay. You need somebody to help him out how to turn off his virtual mirror. You need to put Brant on your tailgate though.
Not until they reach out to me. I don't want to get in trouble.
How do you get in trouble?
It's against TOS to use logos that you don't have written permission for.
No, that's not true. NASCAR has bought the permission for all the logos. You can use any of them. They're restored. Pre-stored.
Well, they're not paying me, so then they don't really have any benefit to me yet. So.
Yeah, I have several sponsors. None of them that big, like Kristen's for iRacing and stuff like that. Tim registered for mental health services and stuff.
But to me, it's mostly where I work because, you know, they're awesome rock stars and donors for the university, which some of them are pretty big. I know Chip Ganassi is actually a huge part of the automotive program where I'm at, so.
Hey Tony, for my paint scheme, this is my best version of a Matt Crafton truck.
Yeah, this fight too. Chip Ganassi, cool. I've met him several times. He's really nice guy.
Don't meet Bobby Rahal, he's an asshole.
Man, Brant, what happened?
They got stuck in fourth.
I may have bumped the leader right before he went. Well, I was trying to time it.
I'm not also for IndyCar people though.
Took me 41 laps to get back to the lead.
Out of the way! Go Drew! Go Drew!
Honest with you, if you're able to catch up to me, Nathan, I'll let you by.
I was back to 3 back because I heard all the crap that other guy was giving him out there. Maybe he was trying to wreck everybody, but he was clean.
Hey Daniel, you can just keep running your line. I can figure out my way to get around you. Man, Farm P10 keeps getting faster laps.
Frank, you just went into my cockpit.
I don't know what it is, man, because it's all on my end, all good.
Nice save, Daniel.
Glory 10. Okay, we're still 0.
Oh, reckon 1-2, reckon 1-2. I don't know how that wasn't a caution. I'm pretty sure someone was like half sideways. Elton, stay low, Elton, stay low.
Reckon. He saved it. These fucking trucks suck donkey dick.
So you're driving a Ford.
Just gotta be easy on throttle and exit, so it's easy to drive.
Jonah, are you running fucking grip packs?
Nope.
Yeah, I believe you.
I literally do not temper with anything on iRacing. I just show up to the race session and just drive. I don't even change, when it's an open step race, I don't even change the setup.
Yeah, you're too young. You got daddy's money. They bought you grip packs.
I'm just going, I'm lifting going into the corner and then getting in the gas midway through it. That's how I was doing qualifying.
The hell is a grip pack?
I don't know what a grip pack is. All I know is I'm pretty sure like an F1 driver cheated in like during the COVID stuff doing it. Or like the pros, someone did it.
7 car, is there a reason why you hit me?
It was during the pro circuit during COVID. Actually, like I think half the grid was caught with it for Cody's.
Anybody want to explain what the fuck a grip pack is?
It's like it's a mod where you can like get more grip on your tires, so that way you can last longer and have more grip in the corners. Be able to get on the gas earlier.
Where you put pine tar on the tires.
Bradley, stay high.
Thank you, Daniel.
Yes, sir. 7 car, you're a piece of shit.
Dang it, I was hoping we were gonna keep on going green. Brad.
And that's going to do it for, I'm pretty sure, part 3 in this insane up and down race at Bristol. And we have just gone under caution once again. As you could hear my reaction. I'm furious because the caution came out because I had such a big lead. But this is going to do for part 3. Like, subscribe, and have a good day.